Hey guys, if you guys want to see the eye look, it's gonna be one video, and then the other video is gonna be the highlighting and contouring video. And yeah, and I'm actually trying to record 3 videos at one time today. So yeah, if you see this look 3 times, you know, I was just so hyper and energetic to record videos at one time. So I don't want to take out the makeup and come back and put it on, you know.
Hi guys, so I'm going to start by, I already primed my eye with the ColourPop. It's called the medium 10, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And the first color I'm going to use is called Shy. And I'm just going to take my brush, my blending brush, and pick up the color, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack it on my crease, and I'll make sure that I will blend it very well. So I'll just blend it and blend it and blend it. And next, I'm just going to add a little bit more. But anyways, I didn't show it, so I'm just going to go to the next color for Mango. And I'm going to get that color for Mango. And I'm going to put that right on the top of the Shy color. The color Shy. And next, I will grab the color Bossy. And I'm going to put that in the outer V. So and then I'm going to just make sure that I blend that very well. Because when you add a lot of colors, you want to make sure you blend it until your hand breaks. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. And now I'm going to get the color Cocoa. And I'm going to add that in the outer V again and the bottom of my eye. And I'm just going to blend it very well. And now I'm going to get the color Black Truffle. And I'm just going to put that right on top of all those colors I have on there. And make sure you guys blend very well on the black color because they're very dark and they're kind of harsh. So you just blend them, and then next I'm going to add the Cocoa again. I'm just going to blend that very well on top of the black. So that way it doesn't leave any harsh on top of my lid. I'm just going to blend it. I actually blend a lot more, but I didn't show it. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the color Angelica with a different brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that color all over my lid, and I'm gonna create that kind of cut crease illusion, but it's not really a cut crease. So now I'm gonna get my Marc Jacob black liner, and I'm gonna put in my waterline, and I'm gonna get a brush, and I'm just gonna smudge that. And next, I'm going to get my Stella Diamond Dust, and I'm going to pack that right on top of my Angelica, the color Angelica. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack that. When you pack this color, you have to be very, very careful because it's really wet, and you got to be careful when you're using it. So just make sure, you fan a little bit, to make it dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the Wet n Wild black liner. I'm going to put the name in the description bar. And I love creating the kind of like illusion, my eyes being longer, whatever, like a Arabic look eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and, do a really sharp liner. And I'm going to go ahead and use the vanity eyelashes, and it was kind of wet. The glue that I used is called the Twinkle Bell. It's called Twinkle Bell eyelashes glue from. I'm gonna put that in the description.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Long sleeve dress. It was kind of pink color and a black scarf. So we went there, and it was kind of nervous because we were the only people who were wearing scarves. But